The JEE main results are out, and we have with us the All India topper Swayam Chube from Mumbai. Many congratulations, Swayam, on this stupendous achievement, I must say. How difficult was this? Obviously, this is years of preparation that must have happened, obviously. Especially during COVID times, were you getting worried about going and writing the exam at this time, or was it more the exam itself that was causing you the tension and you wanted to be up there, right up there?
Like about the pandemic, there was not much problem about it because I knew they would take proper security measures and all that. Like there won't be any spread, and they did actually. They provided us with masks and sanitizers. And moreover, because it got postponed this much, I also got more time to actually study for the exam, and my preparation got better over this period of time. So, yeah, overall, that's how.
Okay, have you had any celebrations at all since the JEE main results, or are you only focusing on doing well once again in the JEE Advanced, which is just on the 27th of this month?
Yeah, I'm focusing more on JEE Advanced.
So no time for celebration as of now?
No, not yet.
So how long have you been at it, Swayam? Is this something that was a long-term goal? I understand your mother, your parents, what do they do? And was it their support? Then the institution also, I think, has a very rigorous schedule.
Like for how long I've been working, it was like almost only 8 hours or so a day. It was not more than that, and regular testing from my institutes and my mentors and all that. My faculty used to give me like various problem sheets to solve, and my parents were actually very supportive. They never like pressured me into getting like a certain amount of marks or a certain rank or something. Even before the final exam, they never like told me you have to perform very well. They just said do your best. So it kind of helps when you go into such a high pressure test or something like that.
So were you always a topper through school, or is this something that is a first time, or are you used to this kind of a success in that sense?
Not exactly. Like not very good at school stuff.
And this involved what kind of hard work? What kind of hard work did this involve? Becoming the JEE topper, JEE mains topper, All India?
It's basically just repeating whatever you've learned, revising whatever you've learned again and again. Then it's kind of like how do I put this? You have to work hard. There is no other way, but you have to like work smartly also at the same time. It's not just hard.
And did you expect to be top of the charts?
No.
You must have been giving weekly exams. So did they give you an idea about where you stand really? All India?
After the exam, like I had a good feeling that I performed pretty good, but like I didn't actually expect it to go this well.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining us, and we will let you go. And I believe you are focused more on the advanced exams. So best wishes for the advanced exams as well.